Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we'll dive into best PayPal alternative for e-commerce stores, and here's the breakdown. If you want a smooth checkout experience but PayPal isn't right for your store, there are solid alternatives that help increase conversions and keep payments secure. So one of them is Stripe. Stripe is one of the most popular. It accepts card and digital wallet. It works in many countries and integrates easily with major platforms like Shopify and WooCommerce. Shopify payment is a great choice also if you use Shopify because it's built in and it has simple pricing and keep your checkout clean without redirecting customers. Another one is Square. Square Online works well if you sell both online and in person with synced inventory and easy payout. Klarna or Afterpay also offer buy now, pay later, which can boost your average order value by letting customers split payment and also give a lot of options with global payment support and advanced fraud protection. If this helped you, like the video, subscribe for more e-commerce payment tips, and comment which alternative you will try first. And that's it.